Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is integrals. Evaluate integral sin x minus x cos x divided by x into x plus sin x dx. This is an important question, 2015 question. Here it is sin x minus x cos x. So here x into x plus sin x. So here if I make x here, it is easy. So for that I am add x and subtract x. Sin x plus x minus x, then minus x cos x divided by x into x plus sin x dx. So that is equal to, now here you have to arrange this one and this one. What you get is collect this one. So sin x plus sin x. Here you take minus and x outside. What you get is 1 minus cos x divided by x into x plus sin x dx. Here what you get? Next here you have to collect it separately. X into x plus sin x minus x into 1 minus cos x divided by x into x plus sin x dx. Here x plus sin x get cancelled. So dx by x is log x. Here x get cancelled. Then differentiation of x plus sin x is 1 minus cos x. Therefore this one log of 1 minus cos x plus c or log c. So what you get is log of xc log x by 1 minus cos x plus c. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.